The internal temperature is rising faster than projected.
We need to report this immediately.
Move! Get back! 20 meters! Hold steady!
I am fully operational.
Drop zone.
All right, tighten the binders on the left tread.
Look at the energy signature here. The rust is interfering with the primary manifold. We need to reroute auxiliary power before we move it.
Bring it up slowly. Watch the clearance on the starboard side.
Hold position at 40 meters. Confirmed. Watch the pressure in base 7.
Acknowledged. Slow rotation to the east.
Check the corrosion levels on the chest plate.
It's deeper than the scans indicated. Reroute power to the localized heaters.
Maintain the abrasive blast on the lower leg plating.
Power levels are spiking across the board.
He's awake. Everybody clear the platform immediately.
Power levels are spiking. Watch the hydraulic pressure on joint 4.
We're reading maximum torque. Keep clear of the articulation points.
Maintain pressure on the chest plate. Watch the runoff near scaffold C.
Roger. Moving to the lower leg armor now.
Watch the pressure on that seam. We're showing a spike near the conduit.
Bring it down easy, watch the clearance. A little to the left, hold it there. Now drop it. Watch the clearance. Slow down, slow down. All right, secure the clamps and start welding.
The structural integrity is compromised here. Let's scan this quadrant now.
Initiating scan sequence.
Energy levels spiking across the board.
He's fully online. Everyone, back away from the subject.
Keep the pressure steady on that coolant line. We're almost through the oxidation layer.
Bring the heavy treads up slowly. Watch the chain tension and monitor the dissolution rate.
Hit that lower section with the high pressure. All right, moving to the left. Lower it slowly. Bring it down easy now. Watch the clearance on the left side. Hold it right there.
Hold it steady, bring it down 5 centimeters. Watch the clearance on the knee joint.
Hold it steady. Okay, engage the torque wrench. Pressure is good, all clear.
Torque that conduit to spec, then move to the alignment clamps.
Welding the primary manifold now. The regulator on A7 needs adjustment.
Watch the hydraulic line on the left tread. Clear, clear. Firing up the vacuum now. Looks good. Let's move to the rear section.
Hold it steady up top. Bring it down 50 centimeters.
Watch your clearance on the left. Easy now, easy.
Gantry control to deck. Confirm plate alignment now.
Alignment confirmed. Lowering final segment.
Wait, the optics are charging.
We have unauthorized activation. All personnel pull back now.
All right, lift on 3. 1, 2, 3. Got it. Secure the corner. Tape's ready over here.
All readings are nominal. The polish on the chest plate is flawless, sir. Ready for activation.
Lower the main hoist slowly.
Watch your spacing on the starboard side.
We have contact. Secure the clamps.
Bring it down 20 centimeters.
Watch the clearance on the left servo.
Locking clamps engaged. Prepare for welding sequence.
Keep it steady. We're approaching the power conduit.
Clear the area now.
Bring it down slowly. Watch the alignment. Now weld it in place. We need structural integrity on that joint.
I am returned. Power levels exceeding threshold. All personnel, clear the area immediately.
Power surge! Everybody clear the area now!
The treads are locking.
We need to get clear of the vents. The spike is too high.
Power surge detected.
He's fully active. We need to evacuate immediately.
He's firing the cannon. Get cover now! Hurry!